Hi, so today we are going to continue with inverse trigonometric function. So how we are going to solve this question? Cosine in a bracket arctangent x. So actually the question is similar to this question. Cosine theta is equal to 1 over 2. Example, this is an example. So we make a triangle. Cosine theta, this is the angle theta, and cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So in order for us to find the unknown side, we use the Pythagoras theorem, which is a square plus b square is equal to c square. So this is c, this is a, this is b. So we need to find the unknown side b. So a is 1 square plus b is the unknown side and c is 2. So we move the 1 to the opposite side. Square root of power of 1 is 1. So b square is 4 minus 1. So this is set 3. Alright. So the unknown side is set 3. Now what is different between this, the cosine theta, and cosine arctangent x? So actually there's no difference actually for the angle. So the angle is theta for cosine theta, and for this angle, for the quotient angle A, cosine is angle of theta is the angle of arctangent x. So how do we going to solve it? So for us to solve this question, first you need to recognize the function. So this is the arctangent x, cosine. Next is you need to form the variable. So you look inside the angle, which is the angle is arctangent x. So we make a variable. So we make a equal the arctangent x. So we move the arctangent to the opposite side. We got tangent a is equal to x. Now what we're going to do next is we need to do a triangle similar. So this is tangent a. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. So this is the opposite side. This is the adjacent one. So actually x over 1 is still x. So in order for us to find the unknown side, we use trigonometric function. We use Pythagoras theorem. So this is a, this is b, this is c. X square plus 1 square is equal to c square. So x square plus 1 power of 2 is 1, and we bring the power of 2 to the opposite side. We got set square root. So c is set of x square plus 1. So yes. So we replace the arctangent x with a. So what we get is cosine angle of a. Now what is cosine a? This is angle a, right? So cosine a is adjacent over hypotenuse, 1b over c, right? So what we get is, this is c, this is b. Where's b? Oh, b is 1. Oh, okay, I just confused. So cosine a is 1 over x squared plus 1. So this is the answer for the question A. Now going to the second question. Cotangent angle of arcsecant x. So we make a variable. We know this is secant. So I choose angle theta. Theta is equal to, theta is equal to arcsecant x. So we bring the arcsecant to the opposite side. We got secant theta is equal to x. We make a triangle. So I'll make a triangle here. So secant theta is 1 over cos. is equal to secant theta. So secant is hypotenuse over adjacent. So this is x, this is 1. So what is the opposite side? So doing the Pythagoras theorem, we know that x square minus 1 third is the opposite side. So we replace cosine with theta. Since we make a variable, theta is equal to arcsecant x, so we input this, we replace it with the arcsecant x. So cotangent theta. So we look at the triangle that we make before. So cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So what we get is 1 over x square minus 1. So this is the answer for question B. Moving on to the next question. Now we got sine to arc cosecant 1 over x. So same as the previous one, we make a variable. So we ignore the 2 first. So I choose later. Okay, fine. I choose A. A is equal to arc cosecant 1 over x. So we bring to the opposite side. We got cosecant A is equal to 1 over x. We make a triangle. So this is angle A. Cosecant is 1 over sine. So 1 over sine is, which mean that the hypotenuse over opposite. So here is hypotenuse is 1 and opposite is x. So the unknown side is 1 square, which is still 1, minus with x square. So this is the unknown side. So we replace sine with 2a. So you realize that this is a double angle formula. Double angle. So we use double angle formula, which is 2 sine a cosine a. So we look at the triangle before. So what is sine a? Sine a is x over 1, which is x. So what is cosine a? Cosine a is sed 1 minus x square over 1. So 1 over 1 minus x square. Wait a minute. Adjacent of hypotenuse. Sorry. I just mistaken something. Let me erase it. Cosine is adjacent of hypotenuse, which is adjacent 1 minus x square over 1. So that leaves us as 2x sed 1 minus x square. So this is the final answer for this question. Moving to the next question. So here we got two angles. So we know that this will be addition. We're going to use addition formula. So we need to form two variables here. So I choose A as arctangent sed 3 and B as arcsine 1 over sed 2. So bring the tangent arctangent to the opposite side. You got tangent A equal to sed 3, sine B equal to 1 over sed 2. So opposite of adjacent, 1 sed 2. So this will be 1. Since 2 sed 2, power of 2 will become 2. So 2 minus with 1 square, which is 1. 2 minus 1 become 1. 1 square. So this still be 1. Now, sorry, this is opposite over adjacent. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Sine of 4 is 2. Yes, this is 2. Am I correct? Yes. Now we have made the variable a and b. So we replace it. Cosine a plus b. So this is addition formula. We're going to use addition formula, which is cos a cos b minus, since this is positive, the formula will be negative, sine a and sine b. So we continue here. What is cosine a? Cosine a is, this is angle a, adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 2 over 1. Cosine b is 1 over sine 2. 1 over sine 2 minus with sine a. Sine a is opposite over hypotenuse. Sine 3 over 2. I think I'm wrong here. Cosine is opposite over adjacent. Cosine is adjacent. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So I think I'm wrong here. So going to erase. Yeah. So cosine A is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is adjacent is 1 and over hypotenuse is 2. Okay, cosine B is 1 over sine 2 minus with sine 3 over 2 sine A. Sine A is sine A, opposite sine 3 over 2, and sine B, which is opposite over hypotenuse, 1 over sine 2. So I realized that when I got 2 here, but I didn't get 2 here, so there must be something wrong here. So what we get is 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, so 2 sine 2, 2 multiplied with sine 2, we got 2. So sine 3 multiplied by 1 is sine 3, 2 multiplied by sine 2 is 2 sine 2. So here we got the same denominator. So 1 we can make as a single expression, 1 minus sine 3 over sine 2 multiplied by 2. So this is the final answer for this question. Thanks for watching.